Hi friends, I'm in Australia. I'm in Melbourne. With me, Sudarshan is there, who is an engineering student. Uh, we will explain to you the technology, exciting technology of 3D printing here. He has done a lot of study in this matter, and he has made, you can see, a model of the International Space Station. Of course, this is assembled, but this support here, this is made by 3D printing. See, now I will talk to him and he will explain more. We can go to reverse. With me is Sudarshan, who is an engineering student studying in Melbourne. He's in a university. Which university?
Monash University.
Monash University. He is studying there, and now he will explain to you.
This is my 3D printer.
This is his 3D printer. Yes,
made by a company called Bamboo Lab.
Bamboo Lab. Yes, this is the printer. Yes.
Yeah. So the way this printer works, inside there's a bed where this plate is placed.
Yes.
And the printer, it heats this plate to approximately 50 degrees. And in the corner over there, I'll turn on the light.
Yeah.
A second. In the corner, that one, that's the printing head.
Yes.
That one, it heats.
This is the printing head. Isn't it? This is the one.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
That one, it can heat up to 260 degrees, but normally only about 220, 210 degrees, depending on the settings. And it's that one, it gets the filament, which is these.
These are the filaments.
Up here.
So when you say filament, may I ask you one question?
Yes.
If this is the raw material, as far as I understand, for a layman, for the purpose of a layman, this is the raw material in which you see. This is the equivalent to ink, which is used in a regular two-dimensional printer.
Yes.
So this is a three-dimensional printer, and you require some ink. So we cannot have ink, of course. So instead of that, this is the raw material. This comes in the form of a wire, a sort of PVC.
It's plastic wire.
It's a PLA. It is called PLA.
There are different materials. So this one over here, it's just PLA material. It's just a wire. It gets fed into this machine, which feeds it into the 3D
There
printer.
are four colors.
Yeah, my printer right now, it can take 4 colors.
This is incidentally, this is made by you using the 3D printing.
Yes.
What is this?
This one, it's called a benchmark test. So usually in the 3D printing community, the board here, it's just a test to see how well the printer goes with the quality, the speed, and everything. And then these are some other cool things that I found.
You made it. This is a sort
just
of
a fidget toy.
yes. It even performs. Yeah. So there are 4 colors now. You removed the green one.
Yeah.
So white, green, red and black.
And black.
Okay, good.
Yeah. And they can be slightly different materials. So the black one, it's a material called PETG. This one, it's similar to PLA, but it's a little bit stronger, a little bit more heat resistant. So for stronger materials, I would use that one.
Oh, this black one.
Yeah, for stronger prints.
For stronger, yes. I think even this is very strong.
Yeah, even that.
This
and
is
there
very
are
strong. You
settings
can
to
see.
change to make it stronger.
Yes. Okay, and this is your monitor screen is unusually long and wide and curvy.
Yeah.
It is having a curvature.
Yeah. It's a 34-inch ultra-wide screen. So
Philips it is.
it's a Philips.
Oh,
yeah.
I see. You
So
have the keyboard.
this way, if I have multiple tabs open, I can have them on both ends of the screen. And
So
I
you
can
use
see
a
more.
special software for this?
For the 3D printing, yes. So
You have special software.
university, they provide me with a SolidWorks software, but I also use Creo software as well to design stuff.
Okay.
Yeah.
So now, what is this?
Oh, that's just a robotic arm. I don't know. I made it years ago.
I see, robotic arm. I see, very nice. Of course. Okay, good. So now, is it possible for you to show me a small printing, small item, whatever?
Sure.
Uh, a very simple one. So I know it takes a lot of time to print it.
Yeah.
It is not exactly printing, it's making a certain thing, but making a rare part, for example, a part which you don't get usually. Is it possible for, suppose I give you a drawing,
Yeah.
and I don't have a part of that, whatever mechanism, it's, the part is not available, is it possible to?
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, that's
Yes,
the
yes.
best thing about
It's
3D printing.
make it by this technology. We can make a part whose dimensions I know, but which is not available in the market.
Exactly. So that's
Out of this, some simple one you can select. Very simple one. So it quick enough is enough. I think
I
this.
just start with the boat one, I guess, since I have it open.
I think this is better.
The bench, yeah.
The bench will be. I think. Oh, that will be much. I think more or similar. This is simple one. I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a very simple one, just for the sake of demonstration.
So that's the bench in the slicer software. Here I can change any of my settings if I want to. For this one, I just want to change this setting. Yeah, that should be fine.
Okay.
So if I'm happy with the settings, I just go
You give the
select
print command.
the color and everything. If I want to make it green or slice. This one, it generates the code for the printer. And if I go print, it will send it here.
So it got the command now.
Yeah. Oh, it's receiving the command now.
It's going to receive. Yeah. This is in the green line is a progress. It shows the progress. Yeah. Now Bamboo Lab is going to print this item. Let us see how it. Of course, we cannot show the entire process. How long it approximately takes?
So this one, give it 5 minutes for the
5
printer
minutes.
to get started and ready and aligned. But to print this bench, it will be 48 minutes in total.
48 minutes. Okay, we will at least start it, and intermittently we will record it, because we cannot have the video for the entire length of the time, but we will try to show as much as possible. So the printer is getting ready now.
Yeah.
I think it's calibrating now, isn't it?
Yeah, I just have to restart.
Calibrating, yeah.
Yeah. Just have to change one quick setting, but should be going back now.
There is a fan also for cooling, I think for heating.
Yeah, just the ventilation.
Yeah, because you need to, remove excessive gases or some fumes which is formed by the process. See, after all this, as far as I understand, these wires are made of PLA material which will be heated here. So that heating comes in the form of a liquid, but we cannot see it, of course. But that is a process. So slight wastage of material and slight fuming may be there. So that is removed. Now the printer is starting, isn't it?
Yeah, it's just getting the material ready.
Yeah, the material. Now we have selected green one. So you can see it is drawing the required amount of material. Yeah, you can see it is drawing from the green, what do you call it, reel or something? Filament. Yeah, this is the filament, yes. So, is there any other lab, any other software which gives the same result, or
Yeah, there's a lot of different software.
Yes,
So, but the Bamboo Lab software called Bamboo Slicer, that one I just use with my printer because it's the provided software. But there's different software like Cruiser Slicer, Cura Slicer, Orca Slicer. There's different ones, and some are more advanced than others.
So now it's going to start.
Yeah, still aligning the bed and everything.
Yeah. So this plate, or I don't know what you call this.
The bed. Yeah.
The bed. Okay. That receives that's a base for the model, which
Yes.
whatever. Let's call it that model. Things like this, whatever is getting put. So now this is you can see this is gaining a certain height.
In a printer, it's doing its own calibration checks.
Yeah, so that the height of the finished product, it depends upon that, isn't it?
Yeah.
This depends upon that.
Yeah.
So as the material is loaded into this should come down.
Yes.
This like this.
Yeah.
So this is now top portion. I know it started with the bottom portion, I think.
Yeah, it starts at the bottom of
Bottom,
the
yeah. Bottom of the whatever we are making.
Yeah.
It will start from the bottom. So it will now start lay. Like a house we construct with a foundation.
Yes.
The foundation is laid in the beginning of the construction of the house. In the same way, the bottommost part is laid first.
So the printer, it prints layer by layer. So
Yeah,
it
yeah,
does
now-
the first bottom layer first, and then the next
Layer by
up,
layer, yes,
and
yes,
the next layer up,
Yeah,
and so
yeah.
on.
Yeah, yeah. So it's trying to, yes,
So it's doing some calibration.
calibrations, yeah. Because the dimensions have to be checked. What is the height of the product or the
Let's see.
width? See, here it is coming down now. Yeah. Yes.
You're looking at a height of about 50 millimeters.
50 millimeters is the
It's the height.
height. Yes. So I think here it's going for that.
Yeah, it's just calibrating.
50 millimeters? So
Yeah.
Five. Or centimeter? Oh, no, it cannot be
Millimeters.
centimeters.
Yeah.
Millimeters. Yes. Let us see. Yeah. See, it's now going to lay, I think. The finished product is going to be manufactured now.
The total height is about 51.2 millimeters.
Oh, 50. That means 5 centimeters.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So it is roughly 5 centimeters. These are the vernier calipers you have?
Yeah.
I see. Now the calibration is going on.
Almost finished.
Almost finished. It shows the progress here.
Yeah.
Yes, now it's going to. So it's laying the foundation. I see. In common terms, I mean, it's not the software term which you use, but I'm telling in a layman's words, like a foundation. So that what you call this plate? What you said? This is
The bed.
bed. Yeah, it holds the whole thing.
Yeah.
And there should not be any unwanted movements, isn't it? If there is an unwanted movement, it will there will be changes in the dimensions, and even the product itself will be wrong.
Right now this bed is at 55 degrees and the head, the tool head, that's at 220 degrees.
Yes. So, okay, now we will intermittently record this, I think, because it will take a lot of time. I thought this will take only about 20 minutes, but now I'm really surprised to hear it is 48 minutes. See. The drawing of the raw material is already over, I think.
No, it keeps on continuously taking.
It again tilts. It's as needed, it goes down. See, this even by millimeter, it is laying, correct? Layer. See, when we make a certain things, we make, say, one leg of a chair or something like that. But here, all the four legs, these are made together. Millimeter by millimeter, each leg is made. Correct?
Yeah, it goes 0.2 millimeters.
The computer does not recognize the each part. It recognizes a certain pattern or the I think how it is laid. The laying is more important, layer by layer. It has to do the task in a very easy manner, easy for the printer. I mean, not for us. So for us, it may be easy to make a leg of a chair.
But for the printer,
but it is printing. It is for the computer. It is just a few drops of something.
Starts from the bottom. And
Start from the This you can show this. See. It prints like this. Yes. Like in a dot matrix printer, the dots are getting printed. It doesn't know. The computer doesn't know it's a letter. It just prints connecting certain things at a stretch.
The code from this just tells the head where to move, what to do at that spot. And
it is concentrating on the task, but what it does, it doesn't know. In the same way, it lays certain things, but what is the ultimate plan? Something different. That only the person who designs knows what is the ultimate plan. Yes. Okay, now we will watch after some time. Let it progress because it takes a lot of time.